you came back, looked at it, spec'd it out, gave us a price, and said, we can start. So we said, when can you start? And you said, we can start in about 2 weeks. Well, we hadn't selected appliances, we hadn't selected granite, we hadn't selected tile. We knew how we wanted things configured, so it forced us to move on a very quick time frame. And what really was beautiful is how you had all of your subs sequenced. So we were driven by your timetable, we were driven by the subs timetable, and it forced us to make decisions, and everything just fell in place perfectly. You know, we found these appliances, we got them, we were able to get them in. By the time they arrived, you had all your subs lined up and were ready to do the installation. And I think we might have had them sitting in the basement for a week or two prior to them actually being installed. But it truly is astonishing. We've told so many people this story. And then when you see how it all came together with the existing cabinetry being indistinguishable from the new cabinetry. So
you literally can't really tell the difference between the new and the old?
You cannot tell the difference. And you know, as I was saying, we had a contractor, electrical contractor in a week ago, and I was telling him the story, and he said, "You're kidding me, I thought this was all brand new." Because, you know, he looks and everything is like it was.
These are the new ones over here.
Yeah, these are the new ones over there. And it just all came together. The timing came together beautifully. The sequencing of the whole project, including the expansion of the opening up the wall for the library, moving the washer and dryer from the kitchen up to the second floor. Everything just flowed together beautifully. And we lived in the house the whole time. And you've got your guys so well trained. You know, you're saying best boys in construction, best behaved boys in construction, right?
Right.
You know, truly, every day when they left, everything was cleaned up, and you know, we were able to continue functioning without missing a beat. So it worked great.